In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your PLDT billing statement online using the official PLDT website, which is the safest and most reliable way to access your account details. To begin, open any web browser on your phone or computer and go to pldthome.com, then look for the account login option usually found at the top right of the page. After clicking it, sign in using your registered PLDT account credentials, making sure you're logging into the correct account linked to your service. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard or account information section, where PLDT displays service details, balances, and billing-related options. From there, you should see an option to view your billing statement, which allows you to check your current and past bills depending on your account type and availability. The information shown is based on PLDT's system records, so what you see may vary depending on your plan, billing cycle, or account status. If anything looks unclear, it's best to verify directly with PLDT support rather than relying on third-party sources. Subscribe now for more simple, accurate tech guides that help you manage accounts with confidence.